friends, today in Puzzles and Manipulatives, we're going to be playing a game called the Color Clue game. So the rules of the game are that I'm going to give you guys some clues about the fruit that I'm talking about. And you guys have to guess what fruit I'm talking about. So let's start with a starter round. Okay, so the fruit that I'm thinking of is red, and it has little seeds on the outside of it. It also has a green leaves on top of it. What fruit do you think I'm talking about? And I'll give you 5 seconds to think about which fruit I'm talking about. All right, so let me repeat the clues. I said that this fruit is very red on the outside. It has seeds also on the outside of it, and it has green leaves on top of it. I'll give you another clue too before I reveal it. It's very sweet and it's kind of small. All right, so what fruit do you think it is? Let's see. If you said a strawberry, you were correct. All right, so we know how the game goes now. So let's start with our first round. All right, so the first fruit that I am thinking of is yellow, and it's a very long fruit, and it has a peel that you can peel off of the fruit that is inside of it so that you can eat it. The fruit itself is kind of sweet. It's not the sweetest fruit, but it is sweet. So I'll give you a few seconds to think about which fruit I'm talking about. All right, so let me say the clues again. This fruit is very yellow and it's a long fruit, but you have to peel the outside of it to get into the edible part, which means the part that you can eat on the inside. And I said that the fruit is sweet. What did you guys think? Let's see which fruit I'm talking about. It's a banana. You see, and I was able to tell that because of the context clues. Bananas are yellow, they're long, and you can peel the outside of it to eat the banana inside. All right, so the next one that we have is it can be very sour at times. It's not as sour as a lemon, but it is pretty sour sometimes, especially after you brush your teeth. You can't eat the peel. You have to peel it off so that you can get to the fruit on the inside, which is also the same color as the outside. And I can't say the color of the fruit because the color of the fruit is the name of the fruit. So I'll give you a few seconds to think about which fruit I'm talking about. All right, so let me say the clues again. This fruit can be sour, but it's not as sour as a lemon. You can't eat the peel, and you have to peel it to get to the fruit on the inside. But the fruit on the inside is the same color as the peel on the outside. And the last clue is that the name of the fruit is the same as the name of the color of the fruit. Do you guys think you know it? All right, let's see. If you said orange, you're correct. It's an orange. And an orange has the same name as the color of the fruit. So that was a major hint. It's also a very round fruit, and it kind of looks like a ball. All right, so this next fruit is not round like an orange, but it is round-ish. So it looks like it can be round. You don't have to peel this one like you had to peel the orange and the banana beforehand. But unlike the orange, it doesn't have the inside of this fruit isn't the same color as the outside of this fruit. The inside of the fruit is actually white. And when you chomp into it, it makes a really loud crunch sound. So what fruit do you guys think it is? I'll give you a few seconds. All right, let me say the clues again, just in case you're still trying to figure it out. So this fruit is red on the outside. It's not round like an orange, but it does have a round top. It's white on the inside, and when you crunch into it, it makes a very loud sound. What fruit am I talking about? If you guys guessed an apple, you're correct. You see, it's not fully round. Just as our clues were talking about how the orange is round, the apple is not. All right, so the next fruit we have is blue, and it's very small, and it is a berry. It can be very tart, which means that it's not sour, but it's a mixture of sour and sweet. It's tiny and it's blue. I'll give you guys a few seconds to guess which fruit I'm talking about. All right, so let me say the clues again. This fruit is very small. It's blue and it's a berry. I will also give you another clue that it's round, just like an orange, but it's very small. And it's tart, which means that it's not sour, but it's not sweet either. It's a mixture of both. All right, so let's see which fruit I'm talking about. Blueberries! If you guess blueberries, then you win this round. All right, so that's the end of puzzle.